Hey Familia! Today's a little different. I know you have me introducing the video because Veronica's at home with the baby. So today we have a super special video for you. I don't know if you remember our friend Dana.
Come on down, Dana!
Woo! Whoa!
But her family has a huge farm and they wanted us to come out and make a video for them and show you guys what they do on their farm, how they harvest their corn and their grain. And we're gonna show you what they do, especially in the middle of harvest season. So let's take a little tour.
Familia, it's Dana. It's a beautiful and brisk fall day here on the farm. This farm is near and dear to my heart. It is our family farm. It has been in our family for generations, and we are a grain farm. So we raise corn and soybeans, and we also have our own trucking business, so we haul our own grain as well. I'm so excited for you to be with us today as we tour Timmermann Family Farms. Come on, let's go.
Hi guys, my name is Dave Timmermann. I farm here in Genoa, Illinois, here in northern DeKalb County. My family came here to DeKalb County back in the early 60s. We have been back in the, well, actually suburban area, back in the city area, Wheeling area. Raising vegetables, being vegetable farmers prior to that. And when we came out this direction, we also started by raising sweet corn, peppers, onions, different small crops like that. Those products would be sold at Southwater Market in Chicago. I remember riding with he originally had an old Diamond T truck, and we would take the produce in with that. And then in 1966 he bought a new International Lodestar 1600. And I remember he would leave home at 1 o'clock in the morning and I would ride with him, and oh, did I fall in love with trucks. That's where my passion for trucks came. All I knew is I wanted to drive a truck, I wanted to be involved in trucks. So eventually, we found a place in Genoa. Dad bought his first piece of ground over on Hemlock Road there in 1959. And that was actually 2 years before I was born. So can you even, with your editing, can you make me look about 15 years younger?
Well, I don't know. I can't really do that, but I can try.
Come on.
I'll do my best.
They obviously use the corn for making ethanol, and then the byproduct, they dry the DDGs, which is dry distillers grain. They dry that, they ship that in containers, or We have hog farmer neighbors that go and purchase it, and it's for feed use, for feeding animals. You were discussing how you enjoy the photography and the videotaping, and how it brings you joy, and you have such a passion for it. And my theory on that is, I've always preached that to my kids. Don't necessarily go for the largest paycheck in the world. I mean, granted, that's wonderful. That's a wonderful perk. But my opinion is that a passion is a God-given gift, and pursue something that your heart truly loves. And it only ends up being a portion of work, and it's a portion of enjoyment. So pursue your dreams, pursue passions, which is a God-given gift, and let's not waste that special gift that He's given you, that special glow inside of you.
So this is my brother Doug, and he's going to explain a little more about how he tests for moisture for the grain.
So I've got a dry sample that I just took from the dryer. And I am looking for a certain percentage of moisture coming out of the field. Earlier this morning, the corn was about 20 to 21%, and ideally, when we are storing it in the bin, we want it around 14.7, 15.2. So obviously, now that we're in fall temperatures, it's going to definitely cool down. And at night, we'll turn fans on to help speed that process up. But this is a good gauge for us to know how much the corn is drying and if we need to adjust settings in the dryer.
Hey Familia, it's Dana. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with us today. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about our corn harvest and what it's like to live on a grain farm. Thank you so much for joining us. Arrivederci.